You got a shovel for Daddy? Oh, look at you. That snow is so deep.
Pull that shovel.
Pull that shovel. You need help? You need some help? Okay, hold on. Let's get this shovel out. What? Oh, you want me to use the big shovel? Okay.
You can even get your little one out.
He said, use this, use this. Hey, Mommy. Oh, look, Mommy's got a Santa Claus hat on. Look at this snow. This is our first snow fall at the new house. There. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how deep that snow is. It's like halfway up him.
Alright, boys, I'm going inside.
Okay. Stay warm, Mommy.
I'm just laughing because he looks too darn cute.
Oh, look at him. Oh, look, he's got a whole spade of snow going up here, hon.
Alright.
Woo! Remember that when you're 16, son. Remember that when you're 16. And old Daddy needs to get a shovel. We're going to hold this as evidence. Whoa. Yeah.
I got it.
You got it? Oh my goodness. I hear you inside, dear. I hear you in there. Oops, you alright? You okay? You need help? You got it. Oh. You like the snow? Oh my goodness. Oh, look up at Daddy. You got it all over your face.
Look,